Good morning, children. Today we will start new chapter in G Science. That is chapter 7. Food we get from plants. So today we will deal about trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. Okay? So now let's start the chapter. You see many different kinds of plants around yourself. So, are they green in color? Are these of different shapes and sizes? Do plants grow only on land? So, children, in your surrounding, what you see? So, you see different kinds of plants. But here question arises, are they green in color? Are these of different shapes and sizes? Do plants grow only on land? So, most plants are green in color and they are of different shapes and sizes. Some plants grow on land while some grow in water. So children, all plants grow in certain places and in certain season. So now you might be thinking certain places, certain season. So we do not find the same plants in all the places. So plants grow according to seasons and climate of a place. Plants such as lotus grow in water. So these are known as water plants. So plants are classified into different types based on their sizes and also on the basis of their stem type. So when we look around, we can see plants are of different kinds. Plants are of different shapes and sizes. So now we will know about plants are of different kinds. So what are that kinds? Trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers, creepers. So now we will know about trees. So what are trees? You must have seen some plants which are tall and big. So trees are tall and big. They have a hard and woody stem called trunk. Now see, this is called trunk. So they have a hard and woody stem. They even have strong branches which bear fruits, leaves, flowers. Roots of such plants grow deep into the soil. So these tall and big plants are called trees. Okay, so some trees such as banyan tree, coconut tree, mango tree. Okay. So trees are tall and big. And the examples, just now I explained, just now I told few examples and here one more example is given, pine. Okay, so these are thin and tall. So now we will read next, shrubs. You may have noticed some plants are of little smaller than tree. And what are that? They are called shrubs. You see here, there are some plants which are small in size. So shrubs are small plants which have a woody stem. They are growing close to the ground. Although they are small, they are strong and boozy. And the examples are rose, hibiscus, but their roots do not go deep into the ground. Okay, so their roots do not go deep into the ground. So trees roots grow deep into the soil, but shrubs root do not go deep into the soil. Okay, herbs. So some very small plants are called herbs. They have soft stems. Herbs are mostly green. So now let's know about herbs. Some plants are even smaller than the shrubs and have soft stem. So such plants are called coriander, mint. So mint, tulsi and coriander. So these are the example of herbs. So now we will read about climbers. So what are climbers? Children, you must have seen some plants which grow around the stick. Now you can see here along walls and even climb up trees. So such plants are called climbers. So climbers have weak stem and therefore they require support to grow. So money plant and grapevine are climbers. So plants which need the support of other plants, stick or wall, to grow straight, they are called climbers. And here also examples are given: grapevine, bean. Okay, let's know about creeper. Like creepers, there are other plants which have weak stem and grow along the ground. So now you can see here how it grow along the ground. So these plants are called creepers. Creepers generally bear big fruit. So pumpkin, watermelon and bottle gourd are some creepers. So now next, here is exercise, little exercise. So what are that? Test yourself. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, hard and woody stem is called trunk. See here, hard and woody stem is called trunk. Dash are little smaller than trees. So what are that? Shrubs. So shrubs are little smaller than trees. Grapevine, bean and money plants are, what are that? Grapevine and bean and money plants are climbers. Okay, climbers. Pumpkin, watermelon and bottle gourds are example of creepers. Herbs are mostly green in color. Okay. So this you do in your book. So now children, I want to tell you one thing. Like humans, plants too have fixed span or durations of life. So children, we have seen different kinds of plants, but we must also know how long plants live. Some plants live for a very long time, while some plants are seasonal. Plants which live and bear fruits flower for many years are called long living plants. So what are the examples? Trees and shrubs are long living plants. Okay, and there are some seasonal plants. For examples, herbs and shrubs live for few months, just one season. So children, in next video I will explain next part. Thank you.